बच्चों, today we are going to study about why do we fall ill. So here is what is the answer of this question. Because to stay healthy we should take balanced diet. Means in our diet there must be protein, carbohydrates, fats, minerals and vitamins. So lacking of the balanced diet or lacking of the physical activities made us fall ill. Now here is, first of all, to know about illness we should know about the health. What is health? Uh, our body cells are interconnected with each other. So whatever be the function happening in one cell, it is connected with all. So here is, we are going to know that health is what? Health is, in equation we can say it is not only physical health, but it is including physical health, mental health plus social health. So health is the combination of physical, mental and social health. So combination of all these three make health. Now what about health? uh, it doesn't mean it is the absence of disease. It is about the feeling of goodness physically, mentally and socially. If you are feeling good mentally, socially and physically, that means you are healthy. Now what is the significance of health? uh, it make us to work effectively, and we enjoy, we are feeling or we are feeling good, and making uh, us enjoyable, and we are feeling less pressure physically as well as socially. So these three are the significance. Now about the personal and community. So, what is personal and community health issues? Personal health, uh, as we know, health, it depends upon our physical, economic status, and it's depend upon mental status. So, personal health is overall, what is our overall things, and here personal health is depend upon community health. So it's an important factor for the personal health. So now start with what is personal health and how it is connected with community health. So person is living in community. So personal health, how a person becomes healthy or how it remain healthy, it depend upon what? Community health. So community health is as important as personal health, and we know this personal health is depend upon what? It depend upon our mental status, our economic status and physical environment. So here is, so this personal health is depend upon community health in which a person is living. So community health is refers to what? It refers to the maintenance, protection and improvement of the whole community in which individual lives. So now about various factors that affect our health. What are those factors? So here we are going to know about the various factors. So these factors are, first one is social environment. Obviously here we are talking about the community health, it is making our social environment. So to stay healthy, our social environment must be healthy. Now another factor is public cleanliness. Public cleanliness. And third one is personal hygiene. What is public cleanliness? In public cleanliness, obviously it is about the cleanliness related with the public, and personal hygiene is related with the individual hygiene. So each and every individual must maintain their personal hygiene. Now fourth one is social equality and harmony. Social equality and harmony. This is the fourth factor. Obviously, if there is difference in the social equality and harmony, obviously it will create mental pressure and it will affect health also. So this is one of the factor. Now another one is good economic condition. If an individual has good economic condition, definitely uh, he will make available all the required uh, materials to be stay healthy. So to survive in this world, we must have some basic facilities. First is food. We must have balanced diet, we must have good environment, we must have some basic necessities. So these are the various factors. First, social environment should be healthy, public cleanliness should be there so that everyone should be disease free, personal hygiene must be maintained, social equality and harmony there so that it will control the things, like it will create less mental pressure. Good economic condition, obviously it is related with our mental and physical health. So these are the factors. In next class we will meet again with next topics. Thank you. Share and subscribe.